Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. We're standing in front of our community center next to the post offices today with our long-range planning director, Nichoel Baird Spencer. And welcome, Nichoel. And
Thank you, sir.
thought you'd want to give us a little bit of update of what's just going on.
So I'm just here today to invite the public out to our open house on Wednesday, the 18th, to talk about the city's 5-year capital plan. So we'll be talking about projects that are being developed by the city from fiscal year 25 through 29 here in Eagle. That starts this coming October 1st and running through September of 2029. We'll be here talking about the projects and showing you what we're planning for between 4 and 6 p.m.
Awesome. And parking is going to be available on both sides. So is there any limitations or anything the public needs to be aware about outside of the downtown construction, how to get here?
No, the biggest issue is just to make sure you're coming in off Civic Lane versus in front of the museum and into City Hall. So just remember, we're in the community hall, not in the City Hall.
All right, well, thanks again, Nichoel, for that update. And as always, we look forward to seeing you guys next week. Until then, have a great week.